Now I can show you a little bit how I bike. Well, if I go through traffic, believe me, I'll keep both hands on the wheel. Good morning. I'm here at the Benjakitti Park, the new Benjakitti Park, and today I am going to test my GoPro on my bicycle. And one thing that I already learned from the GoPro is that I didn't like the sound, so I bought this extra microphone case. I'm gonna drive the Green Mile today, and the Green Mile is gonna connect the Lumpini Park with this park here. I changed the settings on the GoPro, and I'm shooting now in 4K with 30 FPS, so I'm not sure how that's gonna be different. I hope the fishbowl effect is gonna go away, but I'm holding my camera in one hand because I still think that's the best way to be mobile, and with this GoPro it's definitely gonna be easier than with the gimbal. And I also think that today I can make a little bit more speed, so be more flexible. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this ride. I hope the sound is gonna be good, and yeah, it's just great to see how this park is going to connect with Lumpini in the future. And there's even a ramp that they are building from the new Benjakitti Park to get onto the Green Mile, and that's awesome. And now I can show you a little bit how I bike. Well, if I go through traffic, believe me, I'll keep both hands on the wheel. So here to the right is the old Benjakitti Park, and here to the left you have the second Benjakitti Park. I have to be honest, it's really handy holding the camera like this, because normally with my phone it's a much more complicated setup. So I hope that I can make a bit of speed also today, which normally I try to avoid. So here we're getting towards the Green Mile. Oh yeah, by the way, here they're also constructing a new park. So the people that know this park, they know that this there used to be a few houses in here. So these houses they removed. So it's a bit later in the day. I'm doing my work now. I'm in the building called the Lakes, and I realize I have exactly the whole green area in front of me that I'm gonna bike today. So here you have the Benjakitti Park. This is the new part of the Benjakitti Park, and there in the back you have Lumpini. And as you can see, this is a huge green space in the heart of the city. So let me continue my bike right now. There we go. I filmed here together with the Anyhow Run Man. You might remember that I made the race with him. This is a lovely stretch for biking. They call it the Green Mile. It is about 1.5 kilometers. So this is the back of Sukhumvit Soi 8. And you have the Klong. And this is what the GoPro can do, and I really like that. I mean, I can basically turn around really easily and film. Not gonna film myself too much, guys, don't worry. I hope the wind noise is reduced a little bit. You know, there is always monitor lizards in the water here, so if you can spot one, that would be cool as well. So if you drive the Green Mile, you have to cross 3 of these bridges. So bridge number 1. We have a nice view of the constructions in the park as well. It's about 7:15 now. Yeah, a lot of people use this this green mile for doing exercise in the early morning. It's actually perfect. Oops. I'm going up. So this is the second bridge. And the third one is near Lumpini Park. So here you have the ramp that's gonna connect the park in the future with the Green Mile. So this is excellent. So let me show you a little bit better from the other side. So here you will be able, I guess, to bicycle and of course walk directly into the park from this side. So here you're crossing the expressway. The far end there, you can see the Saturn and Ceylon area. You know, even though it's early morning, it's still quite humid. And it's been warm the last couple of days. So here we have the last stretch in the direction of Lumpini Park. If you come here in the evening, you will see a lot of people making Instagram pictures and selfies. This is a very popular spot, and the reason is because they say it feels like you're in Japan. I mean, I've been to Japan, but I've never been to this kind of roads in Japan. So there's a new construction there on Wireless Road. That's gonna be a theater. Let me try the selfie mode again. Oh yes, it works. Morning. So this is the last bridge before you get to Lumpini. This is a new construction here on Wireless Road, and this is going to be a theater, and I will add a little bit more information in here. So this is Wireless Road or Witayu, and down here you will get to Lumpini Park. So this is the Sarasin Road. Okay, let me bring you to the entrance of Lumpini Park. The problem is that I cannot bicycle in Lumpini because for bikes it's only going to be open at 10 o'clock. Drive here to Soy Sarasin, and then in that way I can also test how it works on the main road. You know what I realize with my normal camera when I'm driving, the sound, even if it's windy, the sound is okay, but it only distorts when it mixes with other sounds. So for example, now I'm talking, then it gets a lot of noise, or when there is a car passing by. So let's see how that works with this new microphone. So here to the left you have the Lumpini Park area. Here to the right you have Sinton, and here you have Soy Lang Suan. Let's wait 3 more seconds and then we're good to go. There we go. I'm always trying to avoid these puddles because I don't have protection on my wheels. So here we are cruising along Lumpini Park. A lot of people are running now. Okay, I don't know what this ideas of this guy. Guess he wants to park. You see, you would think that the more busy streets are dangerous, but it's actually more dangerous to go through these quiet streets because people are more comfortable in doing unpredictable moves. So this is a traffic jam to get into the park. So people who want to relax are gonna stay in the traffic jam here. The problem is that there's just not enough parking. Here you have the new footpath that I showed you in another video as well. This is all ready, which means that you can take the elevator, so it's friendly now for wheelchairs, which is good. So we're getting into the Silom area now almost. So in the end it became a bit longer of a video than I expected, but I think it's a very good test for my GoPro. BTS is crossing ahead. Yeah, the GoPro gives me a lot more flexibility. It's a lot lighter. Now it all depends if I like the quality of the picture. Okay, so I'll be ending my video here in front of the Lumpini Park. So please let me know in the comments what you think about the quality of this video. I really appreciate your input and your feedback. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line and see you guys in my next video.